So, hello friends, welcome to today's live stream. And this is a particular live stream in which I'll be taking up questions related to percentages. Percentages is a topic where you find a wide variety of problems, and these kind of problems are all based on short tricks. So, if you know how to find the percentages in a single line, without much use of traditional multiplication, then everything will become very easy for all of you. So in this live stream, all percentages problems, and you will be really overjoyed to learn these short tricks which I'll be telling you in this live stream today. So as my friends start to join in for the live stream, I'll just wait for everybody of you to post the live link with your friends, share it, and we can have a larger number of people attending this live stream, because yesterday it was a little bit depressing. Very few people, free for this live stream. And today, let's see whether that can change or not. So in the meanwhile, I welcome Pratham Vasist, Manish, Varaprasad, Abhitatha, Sumati, and then Kranti Kumar, one new name there. Welcome, Kranti, and I hope you enjoy this live stream today. And then MSN channel, Sheetal Parmar and Tushar Chauhan, all these people have already joined in. Tanish has joined in. So good evening to all of you, and let's start with the live stream without much delay. And this is the first question for today, all through shortcuts. So everything is to be solved through shortcuts only today. So let's hope we can have a very fruitful and nice session in this live stream. So the first question is basically a question of simple, percentages. Okay. So very quickly, I need the answer for this question, and this is a very basic question of percentage. All those who can convert the percentages into the fractions, that is very important. Knowledge of the relationship between percentages and the fractions. If you are well aware of that concept, then this question is not going to consume much time. So as I see already some answers coming in for this one. See, that's so quick, and everybody who has answered, is answering 1055 for this one. Let's hope that answer is correct. I'll solve it on the board for all of you, and then we can have the evaluation of your responses. So 1055, that's the answer I'm getting for this question. As around 30 people have joined the live stream, I'm just waiting for more people to join in so that I can give the next question really quickly. Okay, 1055. Anybody else who is willing to answer this one? So all those who have answered, you need to post the live link in your WhatsApp groups, friends, and let us have a large audience today. Someday, I need to touch that 100 mark on the live streams, and that will only be possible when you support the channel and invite people for these live streams. So what is the question here? The question is quite a simple one, in the sense that this is 37.5, which is a multiple of 12.5. So whenever 12.5 is there, you need to think of 1/8. And then 62.5, again a multiple of 12.5. So again you need to think of 1/8. So why 1/8? Why am I saying that? Because see, 12.5 into 8 is exactly 100, and this means that 12.5%, if you bring this to here, 12.5 upon 100 is 1 upon 8. So this is exactly 12.5. percent. A conversion of a percentage into its equivalent fraction, that helps us in finding the answer of around 60 to 70% questions of percentages just by looking at the numbers or in a single line. So this is what is happening here. 12.5%. You need to consider this as 3 times 12.5%. Now this is what is the important step here. And then this one, this is 5 times 12.5%. Now, after knowing this, this will be very easy. 3 times, what is 12.5%? Is 1/8. So half of this is 340, half of that is 170, half of that is 85. So this will be 85, and 5 times, half of this is 640, then 640 means 320, and then 160. So 160, and here we will have our answer. So 5 and 255, then this is 800. So here we have 1055 as the answer, which maximum people obtained here. Now this is just nothing, friends. This question is very, very easy, and all these comments which are coming in from ATM. Okay, I don't need so many comments, friends. It's a little bit frustrating, when I keep on saying that one comment is more than sufficient, because it becomes very difficult to identify the uh, responses which are coming in. Okay, so I hope you understand that point. ATM, that comment was for ATM, and the first person to give me the correct answer for this question was Vara Prasad. Amazing start there, Vara Prasad, well done. And then we have some famous names on the channel: Vara Prasad, Tushar Chauhan, Aman Kumar, Sumati Saha, Abhitatha Roy, Manish Kumar. Everybody getting that right. MSN channel, I think you messed up that one. 1100. Some a little bit of confusion there, I think, in one of the percentages. So you can rectify that. And after that, Sheetal Parmar getting that right. And Easy Text, you got it wrong. I'm sorry for that. And so these were the 5 or 6 people, top names on the channel who got this particular question correct. Okay, so let's have the second question now. A similar question, and you need to be again very sharp at finding the percentages. These are all short trick based percentages. Okay, this is 1.1% of 68 plus 9.9% of 37. Okay, now can you tell me the answer for this one? I need a very quick response here, and I know so many of you will get the answer very quickly for this question. Okay, 4.411, that's the answer I've got from Vara Prasad, followed by Sumati Saha, also same answer. So same answer coming in from everybody. So very, very heartening to see. And this happens normally in the questions of these percentage problems. We get some unanimous answers. But again, we need to be sure that we are not using calculators and we are not copying others' answers. So if you have got 4.411 yourself, that's quite amazing. And so many people getting that answer means that this short trick of finding the product of numbers with 11 and finding the product of numbers with 99 is well known to you. So very, very good. I think everybody is following the channel and whatever short tricks I am posting, they all know about those short tricks. Okay, so let's get on with the answer now. See, this is multiplication by 11, which is very, very basic thing. Now we'll start with 8 here, and then 8 plus 6 is 14, so 4 and 1 carry, and we have 6 here means 7. So 68 and 11, the product is 748. Now we just need to insert the decimal here. So 1, 2, and 3. So 0.748. Multiplication with 99 of a 2-digit number is again a basic thing. 37 becomes 36, and 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 7 is 3. Again, 37 becomes 36, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 7 is 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is the decimal now. Now, all you need to do is to add these two numbers and get to the answer of this question. So this is, okay, 3 and 8, 11 means 1, 7 and 4, 11 means 1, 7 and 7, 14, 4 means 1 and 4. So 4.411 is the exact answer which I was expecting. And so many of you gave the correct answer also and told me the two different parts of this answer, that is the first percentage and the second percentage. So a lot of responses coming in, explanatory responses. So very, very good. So let's see who got this one correct first up. So it's that man, Vara Prasad again, and it doesn't give a chance to anybody. He and Tushar, they are lightning quick, and now Manish Kumar also coming up. Sumati got it second correct. Okay, Manish. Then we have Hardik, Tushar, Chauhan, Pratham, Vasisht, Abhitatha. These were the 6 or 7 people who got the answer correct. Okay, so friends, I received a complaint from many of you that Shalu Chadda, I think that was a name, was posting wrong replies and wrong comments in the comments. So I'm waiting for that person today. I hope I'll be able to counsel and get things right. So let's see the third question today. See, all through short tricks. This is not traditional maths. This is all short tricks which I'm telling you, the percentage problems. So let's see this one. A is 40% less than B. B is dash percent more than A. So you can fill in the blank here. Try and fill up this blank. Okay, let's not get into that argument now. Carry on with the live stream. So Abhitatha is saying 40%, MSN channel 66.66. So already two different answers coming in. Now, by the look of it, the question looks like an easy one. Okay, so my request to all of you to share the live link with your friends, because again, weekends are like that. People are not ready to participate in live streams. So we need to have more audience. Okay, only 8 to 10 answers for this one. Easy Tech saying 76.66. Okay. Okay, anybody else willing to answer this one? Because I'm going for the final answer for this. Okay, so let's see. Now, see, in such cases, it's always better to assume the number as 100. See, A is 40% less than B. So if you assume B as 100, so A is 40% less means 60. Now, these are the two quantities. So B is dash percent more than A. Now, comparison is with A. So how much this is more than A? This is 40 more than A. Divide by comparison with A. So whatever comes here, this will come in the denominator. Now that is important. So the 60 will come in the denominator, followed by 100. So obviously 10 gets cancelled. and we have this 3 and 20. So 200 by 3 or 66 2 by 3% is the required answer for this question. Now, comparison with which quantity, that is what is to be taken in the denominator here, that assumes importance in this question. So 66 2 by 3 or 66.66%, that's the correct answer which I was expecting for this one. Very easy question, very, very basic question of percentage. And the first correct answer, where is that one? The first correct answer has come from MSN channel. Yeah, great work there. I think good competition you have given to others there. So great work, MSN channel. And then Mr. Diwakar getting it right as he always does. Then Avdesh Pandey, good one. Abhitata, you missed out there. I think you just gave the answer in a hurry. Okay, Aman Kumar, that is Golu, 66.66 is indeed correct. And then the other Aman Kumar, very good. And Sumati Saha also getting that right, and Pratham Vasist. But all the same, credit must go to MSN channel and Mr. Diwakar Avdesh Pandey. These were the top 3 answers obtained for this one. So some, at least some competition for the people who answered the first one and the second one correctly. So that's quite good. So let's have the fourth one. Okay, so again a problem which normally comes in examinations, quantitative aptitude papers, and this is again a thing which will obviously be of little bit of thought. Now you see, 10.5% of 105 plus 12.5% of 125. Now be careful here. The question is framed in such a manner, that you will think that this is difficult, but it is not difficult. Finding these 2 percentages is very, very easy. So let's hope we get correct answers for this one. As I write the details of the 5th PDF, which is now available on the channel, PDF number 5. This is all short tricks of percentages. All short tricks of percentages. So this is now available on the channel, and you can just send me a message on WhatsApp for acquiring that particular PDF. So WhatsApp, I'll write the number also for you, because most of you, who are following the channel, they know my number, 9896369963. That's the number you need to send a message on to get the PDF number 5. This is a release today only, so everybody can go for this PDF number 5. So all those who have obtained the first 4 PDFs, they can go for this PDF also. Very, very useful PDF for SSC CGL, then RRB, NTPC, and then all banking exams and NTSC, CTET, whatnot. Quantitative aptitude is everywhere. Okay, so let's see the responses which I've got for this one. 26.65, that's the response which I'm getting. Okay, so we need to see what short trick you have used here to find the 2 percentages apart from the calculators. Okay, so can anyone elaborate which short trick you have used to find the 2 percentages? In the meanwhile, those who have not clicked the like button on this video, they can do it, please. Just keep motivating me also, because I can find very less people participating today also. So we need some kind of motivation coming from you. And I don't know, there are some people, who come for clicking the dislike button. It happened in the previous live stream also, and in this one also. So all the same, it's fun, when we have some kind of criticism, because out of every 100 likes, I get only 1 dislike. So never mind, this happens on the live streams. Okay, squaring of 2-digit numbers, that's the concept which is being used by Aman Kumar, and then Abhitatha is saying just square them using Vedic trick. Very good. Okay, yeah, it is a Vedic trick. So all those who are watching this one, this live stream, they can see here that this is actually, if you remove the decimal, this is 105 and this is also 105, and we need to find the square of 105 to get to this percentage easily. Likewise, here we have 12.5 and here also we have 12.5. 125. So if you remove the decimal, then the two numbers are same, 125 and 125. So finding these two percentages is just elementary. You can just look at the numbers and find the percentages. So I'll also do that. See, this is 10. 10 into next number 11 is 110, and followed by 25. I'll put the decimal later. So this is 12. So 12 into 13, 13 to the 26. So and 13 tens are 130. So 156 and 25. Now these are the two products. Now what about the decimal? So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means 11.025 and 1, 2, 3 means 15.625. So just add them by writing them one below the other, or you can add it like this also. So this will become 0. 1 means 5, and we have 6, then 6 and 2. So 26.65, that's the answer of this question. And believe it or not, friends, students who know the Vedic method of squaring numbers ending with 5, they will find these kind of percentages, very, very quickly. And quantitative aptitude, you just can't escape these kind of questions. So everybody has to be aware of particular short tricks of finding the percentages. If you are not aware of percentages tricks, then obviously this PDF is for you. So everything is mentioned in this PDF. You just need to put a message on WhatsApp to acquire a copy of that, and you know the process how I send a PDF to you. Okay, so this was question number 4 for today. Let's have question number 5. So all the percentages which I am telling you today, they are all based on short tricks. I just now told you one of the numbers which ended with 5, and we have the same number, at both the places. That is why we used a short trick to square the numbers ending with 5. Now we are going to do the same thing. Okay, so let's have the next question now. This is question number 5 for today. Okay, I'll give you yet another question which has come in one of the previous SSC exams. Difference between (93% and 38% of a number is 412.5. Find the square of that number. So I want the answer in the first attempt, friends. Now you can't afford to answer this one wrongly. Yeah, Hara Prasad, there are some people, they are from some other channels, and they prefer to dislike because they feel that I am a competition for them. So if I deserve that position of, through which they are fearing that I am a strict competition for them, nothing like it here, So that means I am doing something good. That is why some dislikes are coming. Okay, so Mr. Divakar is saying 11025, and I think that is the previous answer. Okay, 5625, 562500, 422 then 56.25. 4 people answering and all 4 different answers. Now this is something interesting. So everybody needs to check now, because no unanimity in answering there. All different answers have come up. And I fail to understand why. This is very, very surprising. Why so many different answers? And if it is an MCQ, you will find all those 4 different answers in the multiple choices. So you need to be very sharp, and you need to think what wrong you have done there. Now you see, you can see now unanimity in answering, so many different answers followed by a unanimous answer. People who take smart time, that's why what I called smart time. You need to be aware of the exact thing, and that matters a lot in multiple choice questions. Once you got a wrong answer in your mind, you will mark that and you will not come back to that question again, because you will think that my answer is correct. So you need to be sharp and you need to be accurate. You need to get to the answer in the first attempt only. Otherwise, this is going to be very difficult. The wrong answer which you have given, that will also be there in the multiple choice questions. Paper setters are very smart. Okay, so let's see the answer for this one now. Now see, difference between 93% and 38% of a number is 412. Then how do you find that? Now, there is a direct method for this. Direct method. And all these direct methods, I have mentioned all these direct methods in this PDF number 5. No one has acquired this PDF till now because I've completed it just before the live stream. So it is just available now on WhatsApp. You can send a message. All these direct methods are mentioned in that. Nearly 25-30 tricks of percentages, everything included. Okay, so direct method. How do you find the answer of this number? First of all, we need to find the number, right? Unless and until you know the number, we will not be able to find the square of that. So whatever is given here, that is the difference between the two percentages, 412.5, just multiply it by 100 and divide it by, if it is a difference, then take the difference of these two, 93 and 38. So you need to take the difference. So 93 and 38. So 93 and 40 is 53, 55. Okay, 55. Now you can do it very easily. So this is 41250 and 55. So 55 will go exactly 7 times, and then we have 3, 8, 5. So 5 times and a 0. So 750. Now find the square of that number, because the answer is the square of that number. Now this is 0 means our answer will end with 00. 5 means our answer will end with 25. And 7 means 7 8 is 56. So 562500 is the answer of this question. Now see what I have done here. I have found out the number using a direct trick, and then found out the square also using a Vedic maths trick. Now this is what matters. When you have all the PDFs in your kitty, then all these short tricks are very, very easy. So I've used a Vedic maths method of finding the square of 750 and a direct method for finding the number. Amazing, right? So this is what is required. So let's see who gave the correct answer for this one. First off, 562500 was the answer which I was expecting, and a lot of wrong answers there. 750, 56.25, 84.03. I don't know how many answers were there, but I don't know why you come to the conclusion so fast. This is something, you need to spend 10 to 15 seconds only and you will get to the correct answer. But why wrong answers? Now the first correct answer came from Abhi Tatha Roy, if I'm not wrong. And Abhi Tatha, very, very well done. And it was really, really quick, and a lot of wrong answers surrounding you and everybody deleting their answers. Then Tushar Chauhan finally getting it correct, because the first answer he gave was wrong. Okay, Hardik, you got it right. Third person to give me the correct answer. And then Aman Kumar, both the Amans, fourth and fifth place goes to them. And Pratham Vasist also got it correct after that. So these were the people who gave me the answer correctly. Question which really was difficult for everybody. So Royal Rishabh now challenging somebody, to ho jaye speed test. Okay, yeah, this is all speed test only, and I know everybody is enjoying. These are all regular viewers which have joined in, and one or two new names I can see: Parinita Jadhav and Ham. Okay, so you can just click the subscribe button on the channel and get to these live streams every day at 8:15 p.m. So let's see. This is the sixth question for today. Half of the live stream is done, and half of the time is also done. So this is question number 6 coming up your way. Now this is again is speed test only. What we are doing is a speed test only. So let's have one more question of this kind. The sum of 63% and 82% of a number is, so I'll give you the sum, 870. Question is, find half of that number. Find half of that number. So you need to find 50% of that number. Okay, great. So NS Cubing, thanks for your lovely comment. And if you love all these tricks, you have to invite people on the channel and acquire this PDF number 5, which has been released today only. All short tricks of percentages in one PDF. Just send a message on WhatsApp 9896369963 to acquire that particular PDF. So lot of answers already coming in there. See, I expected this one to be correct. Why? Because the previous one was a little bit difficult for so many people, so many people getting that wrong. But this time, I think there's a unanimity in answering, and that is very, very heartening. That is what I want actually. So very nice. People getting that one correct quite fast. So the prominent answer which I'm getting for this one is 300. So let's hope that 300 is correct and nobody has made a mistake here. Okay, welcome G boy, little Gamiya, that is Vihan. So all prominent names joining in every day, and they are the ones who keep me motivated, who keep me who keep my time reserved for this live stream every day. So all others who are joining in today only, I request all of you to bring in people on the channel so that we have a very good free session of this speed maths. Okay, let's have the solution again. And now I told you the direct method already. So whatever number is given here, multiply that by 100 and divide it by, here we have the sum. So just add these two. This is 145. So you need to just divide it by 145, you will get the number. So we will find the half also. So just divide it by 2 also. So you will get the answer directly. So half means division by 2. That is why I put a 2 here. So, okay, 145, 290. So this is going exactly 6 times if I'm not wrong. Yes. So 2 goes 50 times, 6 into 50 is 300. Now this is what, see how much time you're going to take to solve this one. I think this should take only around say 5-6 seconds. Yeah, that's enough I think for this question. And if you're taking more time than that, then obviously there's something wrong in your methodology and the kind of methods you are using for getting to the question. Now so question number 7 coming up today for this live stream. We will have another question of now successive percentages. So you need to tell me 30% of 20% of x. What number, what fraction you will get on simplification of this? 30% of 20% of x. Now I hope you don't get this one wrong. I'm praying to God this should be correct for everybody, because this is again based on a simple logic. Okay, now you can see the variety of responses already coming in for this question. Okay, so somebody has heard me, and from 3 dislikes now it is up to 2 dislikes only on the channel. So I don't get demotivated by all these things, but I do pity those people, who come here to just to dislike the videos. They have enough time with them, I think. Okay, let's have the evaluation of this one now. Now 3x upon 50, that is the exact answer which I'm getting for this one, and I hope you have not messed it up. 12 is another answer. 0.06, I think. Where is the x there? Set is my SSL, that is. Okay, you missed out on the x there, and many of you have converted that into decimals also. Yes, Vara Prasad. Indeed, the number of likes have really improved there, up to 42 now. I'm so glad now. These are the things which my routine visitors give me. The likes on the channel, and bringing in new people. They are the ones who are sharing the links, and I don't think many of them are doing it, because otherwise we would have had at least 100 people watching this live stream. It's been a really long time that I've been live streaming now. Telegram group. Okay, actually I'm active on so many social media platforms. Having another one will be little bit tiring for me. So let's see. I'll consider that suggestion. Okay, let's see now. So what is 20% of x? Whenever you come across this number 20%, you should know that 20% is exactly division by 5. So this part is actually x upon 5. Now 30%, we all know it is 3 upon 10. Now you have the answer 3 by 50 x. Now I think this is what you all got, 3 by 50 x, or 3 divided by 50 is 0.06. So 0.06 times x is also correct for this one. So very, very simple question again, but I wanted to see whether you multiply these two percentages or not, and you have not done it. So I'm so glad for that. Okay, so 0.06x or 3 by 50x is the answer I'm looking for this question. And where is that answer? Vihan, you did not reduce it to lowest form, because 6 upon 100 is actually 3 upon 50 only. But all the same, you need to cancel out that common factor 2 between 6 and 100. Okay, then G-boy messed it up. 50 upon 3 is wrong. And then Vihan, again, you wrote 0.06, but you did not write x there and x in the next comment. So I want the answer in one single comment. Okay, so where's the first correct answer? I'm looking for 3x upon 0.06x. Vihan, finally, you got it correct only. And Madhukar Reddy, 6 upon 100x was correct, but you did not cancel the common factor again. Then Ashwin Sabeshan, okay, 3x upon 50, indeed correct, and that's the exact answer actually which I was expecting. And Tushar Chauhan, you also got it correct, as you always do. And after that, okay, where is the next answer? Abhitatha Roy, Aman Kumar, that is Golu, and Royal Rishabh. These were the top people who got the answer correct here, friends. And very, very good question, because all those who have got this one wrong, they need to rectify the method. Okay, so let's have the 8th question now. So all percentage problems coming in today. This is question number 8. Okay, now let's have another question, or a tactical question now. See, this is 71.2% of, be careful here, 8.64 plus 7. Okay, I'll give you a different one. 86.4% of 7.12. Now, watch the question carefully and then go for the answer to this one, because this is again a tactical question. Don't spend much time on this one. This is a simple short trick. Okay, so all those who have not clicked the like button on the video, they can just do it, and you can start solving this particular question. An easy question. You can round off to 3 or 4 digits if you want, but even if you don't round off, you will get your correct answer very quickly for this one. So after this, I'll give you a problem of successive discounts. That will be the 9th question for this live stream. And the prominent answer which I'm getting for this particular question is 12.8 30336. Okay, so Vara Prasad has given the answer exactly, but Vihan, you rounded that off. It's okay. Let me see whether that is correct or not. And once again, a reminder, PDF 5 of all the short tricks of percentages compiled in a single PDF. That is now available for grabs. Already 4 PDFs I have given on the channel, and if you want to acquire this one also, just WhatsApp 9896369963, and I'll be there with that particular PDF of percentage short tricks, all for SSC exams, RRB exams, then all banking exams. You can't just escape these percentage problems. So everything will become very easy by having a copy of that percentage PDF. Fine. So let's get on with this one. Yeah, I don't know what's happening, Varaprasad. So all the same, at least it is going on. So I don't want to touch it, because if I meddle with this one, no, I think we will lose the live stream. So we have only 2 more questions to come. So never mind. So let's see. 8, 6, 4, 7, 1, 2. Now we need to multiply only these 2 numbers, because the same numbers are here and same numbers are here. So 4 2s are 8, 12, 16, 6, 1 carry, 16 and 28 is 44, 50, 51, 1, 5 carry, 42, 50, 55, 5, 5 carry, 8 sevens are 56 and 561. So 615, 168. Now, since the numbers are the same in the 2 percentages, so I need to multiply this by 2 first. You will get 6. So 1 carry means 3, and a 1 carry means again 3. So 3 digits gone. 3 5 2 5s are okay. 2 8 are 16, 6 1 carry, 13, 3 1 carry, so 3. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 0. So 1 carry means 3, and 2 6 are 12. So 1 2 3 0 3 3 6. This is the answer when I don't consider the decimals and the percentage. If it is a problem of multiplication, then this will be the answer. Now what happens to the decimal? See, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So just put a decimal 5 digits from the right hand side. You will get your answer of the question, 12.30336. And so heartening to see that particular answer coming very, very quickly from some of you. So Vara Prasad has been really, really good today, and he's lightning quick. And for some people, they say that even before I give the question, he gives the answer, but it's nothing like that. It might be due to internet problem that is happening. The live stream might be going a little late to some people. Okay, who gave me the first answer? Little Gummy 34, Vihan. Very, very well done, Vihan, because I was expecting this. But you rounded off. But I told you can round off up to 3 digits. So 12.303 is indeed the correct answer, followed by Vara Prasad again and Manish Kumar Mehta. I want some new names, but no new names here. Tushar Chauhan and Pratham Vasist, Hardik. Top 6 people are already always and already in the top 6, and others are really competing well with them. But I need somebody to come up and compete with these people who are so lightning quick on the channel. So let's have the 9th question today. And those who have joined in today only, just now only, they can go for this PDF number 5. My WhatsApp number is written here. Just send me a message on WhatsApp. All percentages, short tricks, which you find in different books on net, whatever, everything is compiled in a single PDF. Very, very important for competitive exams. So this is question number 9 coming up. I told you it's a question of successive discounts now. So find a single discount equivalent to successive discounts of so I'll give you how many discounts you want. Okay, I'll give you 2 discounts first, and then we will move on to the 3rd discount. So 50% and 20%. So we will have the short trick through this question, and then we will have the next question in which we will apply that short trick and get to our answer. So all those who have not clicked the like button, please do it, friends. And all those who have joined in the live stream today only, they can click the subscribe button on the channel. Alongside that, on the left side, you have the join button. You can join the channel membership for gaining access to paid videos and paid PDFs. All these PDFs are free for members. And on the right hand side, you have the bell icon. You can click the bell icon for getting the notifications of future uploads. Okay, so some answers already coming in for this one. And I knew I was expecting this, friends. I was expecting Mr. Divakar to, come up with the answer very, very quickly for this particular question. And that's what has happened here. Mr. Divakar there with the answer 60 and followed up, Little Gummy 34, that is Vihan, followed that up. And Priyank Jan was there. And then Ashwin, 60%, very good. Vara Prasad also, then Vishnu, one new name there, and Rita, another one new name. So some new names already coming up there. And friends, you can subscribe the channel, get to the live stream notifications by clicking the bell icon. Every day, 8:15 p.m. we are live with 10 simplification problems of amazing government exams, and all short tricks are mentioned in all the PDFs I've been promoting on the channel. So you can say my WhatsApp number, send me a message for getting to that PDF. Okay, let's see. Let's see the solution. Direct answer. So direct solution, that is a single discount equivalent to the two successive discounts, is just add the two, 50 plus 20, the two discounts which are given here, just add the two and subtract the product of two, divide by, now this is very important now, upon 100. So A plus B minus AB upon 100. Now that is the rule you need to apply to get to the answer of the single discount on this one. So very easy now. After the 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled, 50 plus 20 is 70 and minus 5 to the 10. So here we have 60% as the answer. So whenever a shopkeeper is giving you two successive discounts of 50% and 20%, don't think that the net discount comes out to be 70%. Actually, he is giving you a discount of only 60%. It is an attractive way of saying that I'm giving a discount of 60%. 50 plus 20, for a layman, it looks like 70%, but it is not actually 70%. So that is very important to note here, that these type of things, are useful in daily life also. You find a lot of schemes, lot of sale advertising, in shopping malls and all, quoting these kind of discounts. Okay, let's have now three discounts, three different discounts. This is the question number 10 for today. Let's see whether we can have the correct answer very quickly for this one. Now, the three discounts are 10%, 20%, and 30%. So now let's see. The first discount is 10%, second discount is 20%, third discount is 30%. So you need to be very quick in telling me the single discount equivalent to these three discounts. So some new names coming in: Voyager, Prithviraj, Our Feelings. Okay, great. So a lot of people, new names there, very heartening to see. And thanks to those who have brought them here. I always look for new people coming up with the answers. Okay, 15.6 Prithviraj, 3,600 Hardik. I want a single discount there. And then 51.6 Divakar, 54 by Rita, Samba Shiva saying 65, Abhitatha Roy saying 60. Okay, friends, final question yielding so many different answers. What happened now? No. This is not done, friends. 50.6 by Vihan, 60 by Nandak, 49.6 by Priyank Jan, and then 50 by EasyTex. Vara Prasad, 51.6. Okay. Any more different answers, friends? Okay, a lot of different answers have come in for this particular question. Something I didn't expect actually. I was expecting unanimity of answering because I've already told the short trick before this. So let's hope we all, have a common answer here. But 50.4. I think so many people have got that answer. 50.4. I think you have used a different method here. 50.4, because there is I think 5 or 6 people who are getting that particular answer. But 49.6 also now. So many people getting that 49.6, and Mr. Diwakar explaining that 49.6. Okay, so this will be interesting now. I need to see who got that one correct. Now, what I do in this case is, I told you just now, a plus b minus ab upon 100. Now, that is the short trick. So, what I do is, I will combine the first two to find a single discount equivalent to the first two. Then I will combine that equivalent discount with the third one, again using the same short trick. So, this will be easier. Instead of remembering a large formula of 3 successive discounts, that will be easier. So 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 minus 10 into 20 is 200 by 2, that is 2. So 30 minus 2. So this will be 28%. And now 28% and 30% will be combined. So the sum of these two will be 58. And you need to subtract 28 into 30 by 100. Right? So 1 0 gets cancelled. So this is 58 minus 28 into 3 is 84 by 10 is 8 point. Who got this one correct? Now, this will be very, very interesting. Let's see. The first person to give me the correct answer of this particular question, 49.6 is the answer I'm looking for. And so many, after so many wrong answers, finally I have a person who has not come before on the live streams. Per day information, 49.6 is indeed the correct answer for this question. And amazing work there. Thanks for joining in and being a part of this live stream. Priyank Jain, you got it correct, the second person to give me the correct answer. And then we have Mr. Diwakar coming up with the correct answer, followed by Royal Rishabh and another name, Rita. Okay, these were the 5 people who got that one correct. Really, really amazing, friends. This was not expected, but all the same, a very good ending. Okay, so friends, that's it from me today. I think there's some internet problem also going on, so never mind. I think we have completed the 10 questions for today. So it's Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for today. Do join me tomorrow at 8:15 p.m. for yet another live stream of another new topic. And once again, let me remind you, PDF number 5 is available now. Just send me a message on WhatsApp number 9896369963. That's the number you need to use for acquiring the PDF of this percentage short trick, all the short tricks combined in a single PDF. So thanks for watching this one, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. So it's good night from me, and stay blessed, everybody.